Hello friends, I am Shrishandra Shekhar Das from Guwahati, Assam. I'm a member of the team The Midway Journey, and we work basically in the sector of waste reduction and waste management. The Midway Journey started in June 2018 when I was invited to a school to give a seminar on plastic pollution. In January 2019, we started with a riverbank cleanup drive, and that is where I met many like-minded people, and gradually we formed the team that we today call as the Midway Journey. Our main focus is in individual change, behavioral change of people. We are living in an era of high consumption, and we focus on how we can reduce the amount of waste we are creating so that we can help manage the waste generated by us. Along with riverbank cleanup, since 2019, our team has been doing various awareness sessions with schools, colleges, universities, residential complexes, and also we had initiated a project to turn one municipal ward of Guwahati city into complete zero waste. But because of COVID-19, we could not continue. We plan to continue once the situation turns normal. During COVID-19, we started with planning a series of webinars, and after that, we realized that during COVID-19, because of the various lockdowns, the poorest people were having a very tough time economically. So we planned a social experiment called as a Power of 300 to support the families of our waste collectors. In this experiment, we have appealed to at least 300 families of Guwahati city to segregate their waste, and we are collecting the lowest economic value recyclable waste like polythene bags and various soft plastics from doorstep, and we are recycling them. With the amount generated, we are providing free rations to the families of waste collectors for one complete month. As of now, we have more than 190 families of the city who are segregating the waste, and we are doing doorstep collection. So people generally think that when they keep their recyclable items separate, they are very sure that these items will get recycled. But that's not the truth, and this is the biggest challenge that we are facing. We are asking people to clean their packets and dry them and then give it to us. The reason being, this is the only condition when the recyclable materials actually get recycled in clean and dry conditions. So we know in our country, or especially in our place, it's very difficult to explain this concept to people, but we are seeing that gradually people are realizing the importance of cleaning their packaging. I want to put forward two very important points. First, for the people staying in Guwahati or nearby areas, we really request more people to come forward and be a part of this social experiment, because all you need to do is to keep your packets clean and separate, and with that, those packets, we can feed more people. For those who are staying in other parts of our country, we request you to come up with similar initiatives, because as you already know, most of the plastics that are generated are from the packaging industry, and most of them are going to the landfills and water bodies because of their low economic value in recycling. So it is only through citizen movements that this kind of packets can be recycled. The Midway Journey team believes that individual action plays a big role in solving the problem of waste crisis in our country. The line that really motivates and inspires our team is, "From knowing comes caring, and from caring comes change." I believe that more youth of our country will come forward and be the change in their own respective places, and together we can definitely solve the problem of waste in our country.